Traditional baked-in ads aged like milk. Spotify's Megaphone and AdsWiz now deploy AI that slices episodes into cue points and backfills geo-targeted spots. Think a Boston listener hears Duncan, a Berliner hears in 26. CPM jumps from $18 to $32 because relevance boosts conversion. Set rules, no spots within 90 seconds of heavy content. AI respects pacing. Example, Crime Junkie retro-monetized a 2017 back catalog, 12M evergreen downloads, turned into fresh revenue without re-uploads. Tactic, tag your evergreen episodes in the CMNs. AI prioritizes them for frequent creative swaps, maximizing yield. Downside, segment context drift an ad for knives inside a domestic abuse episode sparks backlash. Mitigation, sentiment analysis filters. Dynamic wins if you police fit.